So when we come to Jira, like whatever I explained so far, these are your agile methodology, whatever it is, or end-to-end process, or all ceremonies will have to have a track of this, right? Verbally saying this, it's not a valid thing, right? So we need to have a track of it. So just don't worry about the agile method or the ceremonies. This you're not handling it. This would be handled by your Scrum Master. They'll know it, like where to create, how to create, and all. Our work is like our things start from here, daily Scrum, and where we'll add our if we get any bug, or how we'll track, how we'll create a task, and all that should be our end goal. Okay. For example, I'll just show you how it happens. I'll do one thing. Okay, I'll explain with respect to first the backlog grooming session and all I said you, right? So for example, just think that this is I'm creating my new sprint, okay? I'm creating my new sprint as I'm creating my new sprint as sprint 1, okay? Batch 15. Okay, batch 15 sprint 1. So here they'll put their end date and start date. Like you can just start and end date of your, like I'm starting it from 10th of this, okay, and it will get over on it will get over on 21st. Okay, I'm just updating this. Okay, done. Okay, my sprint is ready. Batch 15, sprint 1. Okay. In this sprint, what I'll do is like, for example, the someone would have created, those are product owners or some other big people. Okay, they would have created, and always the technical calls we'll have, they would have discussed the stories, and you'll have so many in the particular stories in the backlog. This is a symbol of a story. Okay, it is in the backlog. So here you'll have an option to create it, is either it is a story, or either it is a bug, or either it is a task. Okay, you'll have an option so that you can just create that, and you can just tell whom you are assigning it is, like automatic or how. So everything you can do it. So that's not our work. Okay, that is not our work. That would be done by your Scrum Master or other people, so don't worry about that. Whichever is that, so this also would be done by your Scrum Master, but just I wanted to show you how the end-to-end process occurs. Okay, I'm just doing log into SpiceJet website. Okay, I'm taking that. We have taken that in a particular sprint. They'll just drag and drop whichever the story they're planning to take it. Okay, log out also we are planning to uh, take in this particular sprint. Okay, also I had like one bug. If you want, you can take it. Also, I'm taking some Spice Shuttle also. Okay, I'm taking some Spice Shuttle also. Okay, so like this, they take a stories in the particular sprint. Okay, now these stories are ready, right? These stories are ready in the particular sprint. What we'll do is, you'll have a like which where it is and all, you can just show it here. Okay, this is how they take a story in the sprint. Now think that you have like so many story in the sprint, how you'll just start working on those, right? How we'll start working on those. Okay, I have so many things now. Okay, now this was the thing, right? Okay, backlog grooming was done. We took our story. We started, just we got to know that okay, in this particular sprint I have taken so many stories. We'll go to that story now. Okay, you can just do one thing here, like particular story is there, estimation is there. While creating a story, they would have like so many things, right? All the details they would have given, same details you will be able to see it here. See, you will be able to see. So for example, just see now one thing. So here, so if this story need any attachment, they can add it in the attachment as well. Okay, for example, I want to assign this story to the particular person. I'm assigning it to Adarsh. Okay, I can just assign it to Adarsh. Now here it will get assigned to Adarsh. Okay, so in the same way, now here also like here you'll have all labels, you can do some configurations here. Again, it is not required. Okay, once it is done, it will get assigned to the particular person. The story estimation would be done if you configure those things. That would be done by your Scrum Master. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, it is done. Okay, now just think particular stories are there. I'll just go here. You understood, right? How like stories are getting created. Now, my thing is like we have reached a particular thing, right? I'm doing one thing, like I want to create one bug. Okay, I want to create one bug. This bug is like login. Okay, uh, gift card page issue. Here, what else? This is a bug, I know, right? This is a bug, I know. Here it belongs to this project. This is the bug summary I'm giving, matlab bug name. Here you can give all your steps like expected, go to the gift card page, enter gift card details. Okay, send to the user. Okay, this is your expected steps, right? These are your expected steps. Okay, now what is the actual step? What is a bug? Bug is a deviation between the actual and expected, right? So you're entering the details. Okay, here not able to, not able to send to the user. Okay, not able to send. Here reporter is so and so. Okay, and here it is you should describe, is it a high, low or medium, what the priority you want to give. You'll have to discuss that, give the priority. Okay, after that like estimation time you can give, it is like it describes your like severity of priority level. Also you should give your like attachment. Always the screenshot in testing, it matters a lot, or if you have any log you'll have to give it in the attachment. Okay, then like whom you're like assigning to. Okay, I'll assign again it to Rekharam. Okay, create. Okay, once it is created, once it is created, okay, gift card, it is unresolved, right? It is assigned to Rekha Ram. Now it will have the particular faces, right? When it comes to you, just think it has come to, it has like for example, it went to developer. Okay, developer tested. Okay, they'll just do in progress, in progress when they'll start working on it. Then they'll do in review. Then once it is fixed, they'll do done. Okay, same things now when I see here, when I see here, you will have everything as a reporter was so and so, whoever is reporting, whoever is creating, then it is assigned to so. So history, if you go to history, see whoever is changing something, all status, it will be getting tracked. Whoever is does some changes on this, you will have a so and so. Understood? So you also you can link this to like particular story, or if you have any blocked issue previously or duplicate, you can just link to those. You'll have many more features. So this is how your bug life cycle or something is required in with respect to Jira. Okay, so that's all about it. Like just we saw like how this backlog like sprint activity happens here. So I just explained. After that, like I explained like how to create a bug and all, and this is how the UI looks for Jira. Okay, in your like once you start working, you'll have your particular user ID password you can use by you can log in. Then you'll get your particular URL to get into your like team. You'll get it. If you click on that, you'll be able to see the dashboard and you can just start working on that. Okay, that's all about Jira. Thank you.